Hello, assalamu alaikum. My name is Jebreel and welcome back to new video. So today we will be talking about that 5 tips to stay motivated when you feel like giving up. Most of people have this problem that they are not they are demotivated. They always think that we are getting on the wrong side. We are just gonna give up in some time. So this is not a good thing. So I would in this video I will tell you 5 tips from which it will be very easy for you to get motivated and do something better in your life. So let's get started. The first tip is that break big things into smaller pieces. Now what do we mean by this? I mean by this that if you say that I will lose 10 kg per day, so don't say this, just say that I will walk 20 minutes in a day. So if you will walk 20 minutes per day, so it will boost your confidence. You will be doing that work in a good way. And when you will have a big goal, like if you all will always say I will lose 10 kg a day, because this is not possible. It is so hard to lose 10 kg in a day. So from this you would not be able to do your work properly. You will always give up. So try to break your work into smaller pieces, into small things, so that you would be able to do it in a better way. The second tip is that surround yourself with positivity. If you don't want to give up and you want to do something in your life, try to be positive and be in a positive gathering. Now if you would be in a positive gathering, you would have better people, you will have professional people with whom you will spend your life, from whom you will learn a lot of things. So because of this positivity, you would know that I have also a lot of people around me, they are also with me. So because of this, when you would be positive while doing the work, it would be very easy for you to get developed in a good way. So that's why you have to be positive rather than negative every time, negative thinking. So this won't help you. You just have to be positive all the time. Be with good people, surround around a positive environment, have a positive gathering. So because of this, you would have a better thing and you won't give up easily. So the third tip is that remember your why. Like, why we have to remember our why? Because we will know that why have we started this work. Example, now I am doing some homework, so I have to remember that why have I started this work, what will this help me in future, how will this help me in this place. So because of this, when you would have to remember your why, that why did I started this, why am I doing this work. So because of this why will let you do your work properly and will remind you to be motivated all the time. Because when you will forget why did I started this work and you would forget this work, from this it won't be good for you. So that is why it is really important to remember your why and work on it, that why did you start it, or what are you doing, why did you started doing this work. And the fourth tip is that also work with your mind and body. Like, if you want to get motivated, you should also be your mind should be positive, your mind should be healthy, your body should be healthy, and it should work in a good way. Now example I will give you that, now if you are not sleeping well, so when you would have a work, you are doing a work, so you won't know that what work am I doing, how will it help me in my future. So because of this, you should have well sleep. So when you are doing your work, it will be very easy for you to do that work in a proper way. And the second thing is that you should have a proper nutrition eating, you should have healthy food. So from this, your body would be in a good condition and you will be able to do the work in a good way and in a proper way. So the last tip is that you reward yourself when you do something better. Now many of people are doing like this, when they are just doing and completing the work. So because of this, they will get tired and they will give up. So when you complete one work in a week, you try hard and you complete that work in a good way. So just try to reward yourself. When you will reward yourself, you will get more motivated. Because of this, your motivation will increase and you will be able to do that work in a proper way. So that is why rewarding is very important. Try to appreciate yourself and also be good with other people. Your friends will also help you and appreciate you when you do a work in a good way. So that is why it will be very easy and easy for you to do a work in a good way. So that is why you won't be also getting demotivated. You will be motivated all the time, you won't give up. So that's why it is very important to reward ourselves when doing one thing after a long time we are working on it. So just just reward yourself that you did it in a good way. What challenges you faced, so remind all things and just reward yourself that yes, you did it in a good way. So these were the 5 tips that I was to tell you, that when someone is giving up, how he will get motivated, because nowadays most of people are giving up. They think that we cannot do it, but it is not good for you. You have to be motivated, try to do that work in good way, and do focus on your work in a proper way. So that is very important. So that was all for today. We will be seeing you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.